Well, of course, now we're not behind a gate since the last time we spoke in Tlantla, but the minister, as she's been walking around, has been getting a briefing, of course, by the childminders here at the Pulokong Children's Village, and I'm actually going to try to step closer to the minister. Minister is, of course, greeting the children now.
How are you?
Minister, you're live on Newzroom Afrika. Can I just steal you for a bit? Thank you so much for your time. Minister, what is the purpose of your visit here today? Of course, we are wrapping up Child Protection Week, the significance of visiting centers such as this one.
Yes, the significance of visiting centers is to just make sure that, firstly, they adhere. Let's start with the adherence to COVID protocol. That we must make sure that the children have got the mask, the children are indoors, and the children are not running around outside of the area where they live. And I'm here also with the director of the entire village. But also it is to connect with the local structures and provincial structures. We are also here with the HOD of the province. We are here with the mayor. They're somewhere around here. The mayor is here. The mayor is here, yes. I think what is very important for us as a department, we spend per year, we spend 7.2 billion in supporting such homes. So it's important for us as a department to visit these homes to make sure that the children are in good condition, to make sure that even the homes where they are staying, it's in good condition. But also just to look at the children and look at them, because you can tell when children are unhappy, when children are unhealthy. Almost every home I've been to so far, I've found that the caregivers are very good, the places are very clean and neat, the management of this place is really done very well. The governance, I think it's also very important, because when government spends that amount of money, government must see the value of the money that government is spending on each and every child. And again, we also here because we want to call on the communities around here to be supportive, and also to call on businesses that are around here also to be supportive, because here you've got very young children. I mean, at the age of 18 months, at the age of 3 years, 4 years, here I see they're quite small. The future of these children depend on us and as adults. What do we do to assist them to grow and be better citizens tomorrow? It also depends on government working with the communities, because it's community that has to build to help the children grow. It cannot just be government alone.
Yeah. What are some of the concerns, though, that you've seen? Because, of course, this isn't the first children's home that you visited this week and over the last couple of weeks, that is, as well. What are the main challenges that you're seeing being faced by these homes, other than outside of funding?
Well, there's less challenges here because it's very organized in a way. Because I was asking, do the children visit out? Do some of the parents see, do they see their parents or not? The challenge is a societal problem of abuse against children. Because normally children should be in normal homes. This is normal for them because they are being taken care of. The biggest challenge is our societal ills that end up having children being in such homes. If we didn't have those societal ills, these children would be playing with their grandparents, they'll be playing with their fathers and mothers and their uncles and all. So the first and most important issue for me is societal ills. Why must we have these homes where children have to be brought here by court, where children have to be rescued somewhere because they are being abused? The only way we can save that is to go back to our communities and say, what is it that we can do to make sure that we build communities that take care of their children?
Well, thank you very much. That is Social Development Minister Lindiwe Zulu, of course, visiting the Pulokong Children's Village here in Evaton, part of a series of visits, of course, to several children's villages across the country as we wrap up the Child Protection Week for 2020. But for now, stay tuned to Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405.